Okay, Nikki, you are having weird pain in your left hand. Permission to connect, yes. What's going on with this? It has to do with your divine feminine side, which is the left side. I talked about this in my last live. And your ability to receive as the feminine energy. So at the root cause, what is behind this? You see your hand, but you're not, it's closed instead of being open. Inner child trauma, disconnected from your inner self, your higher self, as from the perspective of the inner child. There's different layers of us. And so inner child is this, usually it's more of the core inner layer. And so that is feeling disconnected from your higher self. Why? There's a core wound here. And it goes back to the age of 2. And if you want more information on this, send me an email. I'm not going to talk about anything else in regard to this, but your body said I can release it for you. This shut down your root chakra, which is this, it's the first chakra energy center in our physical vessel. There are some under the feet, which are outside of the body. There's some above the head, but this is the main energy entry point for the internal body. And when it gets severely traumatized, it prevents that energy flow from coming up and being able to truly connect to source. And then I see healing energy that comes through the earth and then it spirals through the chakras. Well, if it gets blocked right at your root chakra, you're not able to get that balancing energy up to your higher chakras. Ideally, we wouldn't have individual chakras. They would all be unified as one within the body. But because we're living in a fallen system and everything is so fragmented, it's a process of reconnecting ourselves back to ourselves. And I do a lot of this work intensively over my 4-day chakra session. And that is all about trying to integrate your chakras into one unified center, clearing out all the DNA manipulations and seals that have been put on to create fragmentation in our vessels. So that is released, going to increase your connection to your higher self from your inner child perspective. Is there more hidden and visible? Okay, that is done for you.